Simple lifestyle tips. Be a good teacher. If you are in a teaching profession, be a good teacher. So, being a teacher, we should never waste the time of students. That too, whenever you go to class, you should never waste the time of students. Each and every minute what we spend in class hours to teach the students, it's very important. So I remember one of my professor, Joseph, who taught us compiler design, data structure kind of subjects in a B. He used to tell that 1 or 2 days before only he used to prepare for the classes. Okay, if the class is on Monday, he used to tell that I used to prepare on Friday itself. Okay, we used to wonder why he simply says. But after entering into teaching profession, I really understand how well ahead we prepare for the classes. Okay, so we have to be so much planned and prepared for the classes. Then only very effectively we can conduct the classes. And if you're going to teach any mathematical related subjects, then you have to solve the problem. Whatever the problem you are going to discuss in the class, you have to well ahead, you have to solve it before going to the class. Then only without making any mistakes you can solve it fluently in the class. So second point what I want to tell is be dedicated to students, yourself and the institution. Okay, for whom we are rendering our service. Okay, we have to be very sincere and we have to cultivate the same sincerity and honesty to the students because they will be seeing us and they will be doing it. Okay, so we have to make the impact on them. Okay, so if we are not sincere, if we are not teaching them properly, in the future they will be like that. Okay, so we have to make good impact on them. So one or other way it will be cultivated to them. Okay, so they also will be honest in their profession. They are the young minds, so they will capture how we are and they will try to imitate in their future. Okay, so some of the teachers whom I remember from my school days, who are all very good teachers to me. So when I was in school, okay, in girls high school in Lalgudi, I remember some of the good teachers who taught me. Okay, like Tamilmani teacher and Geeta teacher and Lakshmi teacher, who all taught me Tamil, English, science and maths. Okay, even the batchmates of my school, okay, they also will agree that these teachers are really very good teachers and everybody respect them. Okay, and in Polytechnic I remember GR sir and MS sir who taught us Visual Basic and C program and computer architecture, Oracle and RDBMS. Okay, so whatever we learned there, still I remember those concepts. I really give my honor to them. And I remember my BE professor, Mr. Joseph, who taught us compiler design, data structure and neural networks kind of subjects. So even now I teach data structure and compiler design subjects with the knowledge what he taught us, and my batchmates also used to respect him more. Okay, and I remember my ME professor Shiba ma'am, who taught me networks. Okay, I didn't learn much about networks before, but she really taught the advanced networks and all very well. I really give respect to her. The cryptography mechanisms and all, how she cultivated those concepts to me, it was really useful for me now also when I go to teach the cryptography related subjects. Okay, and I really honor my PhD guide Lakshmi ma'am, who really cultivated her character into me. Okay, so whenever you review the documents of the students, no, you have to spend more time with them, sit along with them and spend more time in reading it and telling the corrections. Okay, so whenever I go for reviewing the whole day, she used to spend time with me and review the documents without wasting my time. Okay, so she used to spend the whole day and read the documents and tell the correction and give the response to me, and she used to tell that she learned that from her guide. Okay, so I honor all my teachers. This is the platform I take an opportunity to honor all of them. So thank you for watching this video. So if you are in teaching profession, be a good teacher. That's my wish to you all. Thank you.